Okay, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed our story. My dog is as smelly as socks. Now, your job is to think of 3 similes to describe people in your family. It could be your pets, your mom, your dad, brothers, sisters, grandmas, grandpas, cousins, anybody in your family that you want to talk about. So, like for me, you guys know I write a lot about Bruxy. So that's the first thing that comes to my mind is Bruxy. So how am I going to describe her? I could say she's strong, she's wild. Right now, she's sleeping on the couch. Right now, she's a little bit lazy. But when I think of Bruxy, I think of her being wild. So now I'm going to think of something that is wild. It could be an animal. It can be a breeze or a thing. You know what? I'm thinking weather. I'm going to say Bruxy is as wild as a hurricane. That's what I'm going to say, because Bruxy can be wild and cuckoo crazy. And when I think of a hurricane, I think of them as being wild and crazy. So that's what I'm going to write about for Bruxy. So I'm going to get my paper and I'm going to show you how I do it. Look, I've got my name, and today's date is Friday, May 15th, 2020. So I wrote 5-15-20. Okay, and I start at the top. And when I write, I need to start with what kind of letter? Capital, good. So Bruxy, I know how to write Bruxy's name. It's kind of a weird spelling, so I'm gonna write it. Bruxy is, I need my spaceman. Bruxy is as wild. I'm gonna sound it out. I could even stretch it out first. Wild. 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 Bruxy is as wild as a hurricane. Ooh, that's a big one too. Ready? Let's stretch it out. Hurricane. Say it fast. Hurricane. Okay, I'm gonna write it. It like a zebra. Hurricane. Bruxy is as wild as a hurricane. What do I need at the end of my sentence? Period. Okay, so that's 1. I need to write 3 though. So now maybe I'm thinking of my mommy, because my mommy's been helping me a lot lately. So when I think of my mom, like she's strong, brave, nice, sweet. Oh, I'm gonna go with sweet. Okay, what's something that I like to eat that also tastes sweet? Cookies, brownies, ice cream, cake. Oh, that's what I want to say. My mom is as sweet as cake. So look, I practice saying it first, and then I'm gonna write it. And remember, since we're doing this as poetry, we can start a new line. Here, I don't have room. I'd have to start a new line anyways. But if you still have room, you can start a new line for your new simile. So my mom is as sweet as cake. Hey, I hear a lot of sight words in there. I think I could write this pretty fast. When I start my new sentence, I need to start with a capital letter again. My is a sight word. How do we write it? M-Y, good. My mom is, making sure I have space, man, between all my words. My mom is as sweet. Eat. Okay, I'm gonna write it. E. Here, when it says E, it's two E's next to each other. Eat. My mom is as sweet as cake. Ache. Ache. Ooh, and because this says A, what do I need at the end? My magic E. My mom is as sweet as cake. Period. Okay, my friends, so I'm gonna work on one more. I think I'm gonna write about my sisters, but I want you to go ahead and get started on your writing. I can't wait to see what you say about your family. Nice job today. Bye.